Well, I'm going out in the snow. Got a shovel. So here we go. What a clusterfuck. There's the car. Hello, Virginia. Gotta love it, right? Not. I would choose sunny California or Florida at any moment right now, but or up there in the mountains, turn up some slopes. But there's the graveyard. Oh, hi, little birdie. There's the house. Walking in a winter wonderland. I got a shovel. This is the driveway. My cousins at Marshall's farm, they're stuck. So I got a shovel. All of this crap. Nice. Yeah, it's a long ways, huh? I'm gonna go out here to the main road, see how the main roads are. Whew, I can barely walk. Got fireman boots on. Whew. Snow's steady coming down. Jonathan Swing. Hey, I didn't get the paper. What the heck? Losers. Yeah, roads look good. But damn, I gotta shovel all this crap. All the way down there. So, I'll see you guys later. Toodles.